much learned through that experience. How do I get here?
At the $20 sustaining level, the Suprema collection includes all of the gifts, along with Dream of Italy, Travel, Transform, and Thrive, Kathy's new companion book to this show, and Del Brenna Jewelry's stunning Tuscan sunflower charm. It is your financial support of this public television station that makes
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, southern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, southern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:24 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rensselaer, Lamont, Morocco, Wheatfield, Lake Village, Ruiz Lawn, Couts, Shelby, Hanging Grove, Collegeville, Schneider, Mount Ayr, Thayer, Simava Resorts, Bailey's Corner, Stoutsburg, Fair Oaks, Park, and Dunn's Bridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kankakee, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Morris, Pontiac, Mantino, Braidwood, Wilmington, Coal City, Watseka, Paxton, Dwight, Peotone, Fairbury, Gibson City, Moments, Gilman, Kircher, Clinton, Chatsworth, Diamond, Seneca, Limestone, Gardner, and Onarga. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ 80.